Hey guys, as you all know, I have started my new channel and today I will show you how to solve mathematics syllabus T paper November 18 paper 22. So let's get started. Starting from question number 1, it says Kamal earned a total of 32,500 in 2017. He paid 9% of this amount into his pension, 22% tax on the remainder of his earnings. Calculate the amount left after paying his pension and the tax. Here they are saying that Kamal is a boy, he earns 32,500 in 2017. 9% is his pension. First we will take out the 9%. 9 over 100 into 32,500. That is 2,925. Then we will take out the 22% of his earnings, that is his tax. 22 over 100, 22% of his earnings, that will be 32,500 minus 2,925. We have subtracted this because this is his pension, he has paid this, and the remainder of his earnings is 22% of the tax. So 22% into this, that will be 22 over 100 into 2,975, and the answer will be 6506.5. This will be subtracted from this earning, 29575 minus 6506.5. that is, wait, I will calculate, 29575 minus 6506.5, that is 23068.5. this is the answer. So what we calculated is Kamal earned 32,500, 9% was tax, the remainder earnings, or the 22% of the remainder was his tax, the 9% was pension, and he got the leftover. This is our answer. So B part, Kamal invested $1,200 in a saving account, paying 1.8% per year compound interest. He left the money in account for 5 years. Calculate the amount of money in the account at the end of the 5 years. Give your answer correct to nearest cents. So he's saying that 1.8% was the compound interest. So we will take out 1.8 over 100 into 1200, that will be 21.6. then we will add these two. This was first year, okay. Then in second year it would be 1.8 over 100 into 1221.6, and the answer would be 21.9888. Third year we will add these, okay. First we added these two, now we add these two. 1.8 over 100 into 1243.588 is equals to 22.3845984. Fourth year it would be 1.8 over 100, this would be added into this, that would be 1265.973, that will be 22.878. and then the fifth one, that would be 1.8 in over 100 into 1288.76, that would be 23.2, and by adding these two we will get the answer, that is 1311.96. I know many people will ask why I have done it this way, as we can multiply 1.8 by 5 and take the percentage. But if you calculate like that, the answer will be wrong. You can check it from marks key. So we have to do it year by year by adding it. If we will do only by multiplying 1.8 by 5 and taking the percentage, the answer will be wrong. So next question. Now C part. Kamal also invested some money in a different saving account for 5 years. This account paid 2.1% per year simple interest. At the end of 5 years, there was $8 to $8.75 in the account. Calculate the amount of money he invested in this account. When there is this type of question that the answer is given or the final value is given and you have to take out the initial value, so what will you do? This is of 5 years, so we will multiply 5 by 2.1 and minus by 100. That would be the percentage over 100. This would be the percentage into x. We don't know this value, that is he invested this value. And what is the remainder that he has? That is 282.75. By solving this, we will get out the answer. That would be 100 minus, 1 second, I will calculate, 5 into 2.1, that is 10.5. This would be 100 minus 10 into x is equals to 100 will go there and multiply 82875. X will be 100 minus 10.5, that is 89.5. We will divide it at this side. That would be 82875 divided by 89.5. This would be 82. This would be 750. So answer would be 750. Next is the exchange rate between dollars and pound is 1 pound is equals to $0.72. The exchange rate between dollars and euros is $1 is equals to 1.10 euros. Kamal has $275. He changed part of 275 into pounds and received 79.2. He changes remaining dollars into euro. What is the money he receives in euro? Look, if he changes whole dollar 275 into pounds, so what will it be? 275 multiplied by 0.72, that is 198. But he got 79.2, so we will subtract 198 minus 79.2. So that would be 118.8. This is the amount that is left over. We will change it back into dollars. That would be 118.8 divided by 0.72, that is 165. Means $165 are remaining. If he changes these into euros, $165 if change into euros will be 165 multiplied by 1.10, that would be 181.5. So this is the amount he will get in euros. Now question number 2. Lim grows tomatoes. The masses m grams of 200 of her tomatoes are recorded. The cumulative frequency table shows the results. This is a cumulative frequency tables and results are shown. we have to draw a graph of cumulative frequency to represent these results. So to draw the graph, we will plot the points as at 80 it's 0, at 100 it's 20, at 110 it's 48, here 40, in middle it would be 45, and here 48. At 120 it's 112, here 100, here 110, and here 12. At 130 it's 158, this is over here. Then at 140 it's 184, one small block represents 4, and at 160 it's 200. So we will draw this graph of cumulative frequency. We should draw it with a pencil, but I'm drawing it like that roughly. So this is a graph. Now we will estimate the median value. What's the median? Median means the middle value. That would be 50% of the whole readings. That is into 200. We will cut these and we will get 100. Means at the point 100, what is the reading on the graph? That is approximately 118. So we will take it 118. Now the interquartile. What is the interquartile? Interquartile is upper quartile minus lower quartile. So what will we do? Upper quartile is 75% of the all readings, and lower quartile is 25% of the all readings. So first we will take these values. This would be 150, this would be 50. So we will take the values at the point 50. What's the reading? This is 50 and the reading is approximately 110. So we can take it 110, and at this point the reading is at point 150. We will see over here the reading is 128 or 9. So 128. Here we will minus the both. So 128 minus 110, that would be 18. So the interquartile is 18 grams. Now, so here comes the part C. Ravi also grows tomatoes. The masses of 200 of his tomatoes are also recorded. For Ravi's tomatoes, the medium mass was 124 gram and the interquartile range of masses was 12 gram. Make 2 comments comparing the masses of tomatoes grown by Lim with those grown by Ravi. So here we can see that this is, our answer was 18, this is 12. So the Lim's average has lower average mass. The Lim's tomatoes have lower average mass. That can be Lim's tomatoes has lower average mass. This can be a reason, or the mass of tomatoes was not constant. Some were very large and some were very small. That's why the value is so different. Now complete the frequency for the masses of tomatoes grown by Lim. So to complete the Lim's frequency table, we will check the values from the graph that will be at 130 and 120. You can see at 130 the value is approximately 156, so we will take it 156, and at 120 the value is approximately 110. So we will subtract these two values and we will get the answer 156 minus 110, that is 46. So this would be 46. Now 140 minus 130, that would be, you can see at 140 and 130, oh, it's this graph is at 140 and 130, it is approximately 182, and minus 156, that would be, so 182 minus 156, that is 26, and here the answer will be 26. The next is write down the model class. Model means the most repeated class, so most repeated is 64, that would be 110 to 120. Now calculate an estimate for the mean mass of these tomatoes. How we will calculate the mean mass? That is summation fx over summation f. So to calculate fx, we will take f as frequency and x the middle value of the masses. So that would be 20 into 90 plus 28 into 105 plus 64 into 115 plus 46 into 125 and plus 26 into 135, and the last set would be 16 into 150. These all are the middle values, and this is summation fx. Now divide by summation f. We will add all these values that we know is 200. So by calculating these all, we will get 1800 plus 2940 plus 7360 plus 7550 plus 3510 plus 2400, and divided by 200, so the answer we'll get would be 118.8. This is our answer of mean. Actually the mean is the average and we have taken out it. So forwarding to next. So now we have to express this fraction in the simplest form. How we will do that? That we will take the LCM, that would be y minus 1 into y plus 6, and in the numerator it would be 3 into y plus 6 minus 5 into y minus 1, that would be 3y plus 18 minus 5y plus 5. This minus will get plus, and at the denominator it would be y square plus 5y minus 6. How it would be? Y into y is the y square, then y into 6 plus 6 and minus y, plus 6y minus y is 5y, and 6 into 1 is minus 6, minus 1 is here, so that's why. Now it would be minus 2y plus 23 over y square plus 5y minus 6. So this is the answer. Now the next is 2v square minus 5v minus 12 divided by v square minus 16. We have to simplify this. So how it would be? 2v square. Now 12 into 2 is 24. We will write the factors of 24. 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 3 into 8. So how we will get 5? That would be 3 minus 8 is 5, and we have to get minus 5, so minus 8v plus 3v minus 12 over, that would be v square minus 4 square. Now it would be, we will take out 2v as common, and that would be v minus 4, and 3 as common, v minus 4, and here it would be v plus 4 into v minus 4, that is a square minus b square. Formula is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So it would be 2v plus 3 into v minus 4 over v plus 4 into v minus 4. This and this would be cancelled. Answer would be 2v plus 3 over v plus 4. So this is the answer. Now part number C. In C part, it's solve 3 bracket 2x x square plus 3 is equals to 11x. Show your working and give your answers correct to 3 significant figures. So firstly we will simplify this. That would be 3x square plus 9 is equals to 11x, and it would be 3x square minus 11x plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we will make the factors. That would be 3x square minus, now we have to bring 11. It would be 9 into 3, that is 27. 27 into 1, 3 into 9. So 9 plus 3 is 11, minus 9x minus 3x plus 9 is equals to 0. Here 3x would be common, x minus 3, and here minus 3 would be common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x minus 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x minus 3 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1, or x is equals to 3. So these are the two values of x, 1 and 3. Got it?